What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We are back at it again with Biggie. And already kind of been running into a few things this morning as far as clocking the turbo and whatnot. And somehow, even though I'm fabricating my own core support, I'm still managing to give myself no room. So I had to notch this right here to get clearance so that way this can run underneath the upper radiator hose. And as you can see, there's a whole lot of factory core support kind of in my way. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing up in the air. We're gonna have to revisit the lower intercooler mounts because I have those tacked to the factory core support, which I'm about to cut out. But I think I have a solution for that. So I'm gonna shut up and get to getting. So put it up in the air, you can see with my 90-degree coupler on the intercooler, it's running into the core support. So I need to cut random. I need to cut these both off, and I'm probably just gonna lob it about halfway up and worry about making it pretty later. And as far as these, I still have this, so I'm probably just gonna run some kickers down to tie it in. That way it still has some rigidity. So let's do it. Wow, so much more room for activities. All right, so now I'm gonna start seeing if I can't connect Turbski to Intercooler. Alright, so here's what we got so far. We come off the turbo. 45 aluminum 90 to a rubber 90 into our intercooler. Drag on over here. But coming out, I have this mild steel because my blow-off valve flange is also steel, so I'm gonna need to weld to that. Then we go to another 90 to an aluminum 45 who whoops up to the top, and then we come up to our throttle body. So, I mean, for all intents and purposes, Biggie's version 2 turbo kit is well into the mock-up stage. I kind of wanted to get all of the cold side pipes at least mocked up before I started doing downpipe and wastegates, because I want to make sure that I'm not getting too close with hot and cold side and heat soaking and whatever. But yeah, it's actually starting to look like something. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna call it for a weekend. This whole working 7 days out of the week is getting kind of wearing on me, but we made some good headway this weekend. We got the engine back in, radiator, intercoolers mounted, hot side is all but done with the exception of the wastegates, grinding, cleaning, header painting, and wrapping. But I have to order some more 3-inch mandrel bends so I can start fabricating the downpipe. And I want to do the downpipe and the wastegates at the same time. But I wanted to get the cold side routed because, as you can see, with my idea of running the downpipe is going to come down and then it's going to split. It'll be a Y right here, and one will go out this way to where I had it, and then one will come out the other side so I can hear it while I'm driving, because I like whooshy noises. So yeah, good amount. I feel guilty because I'm stopping, but that's just how it is, because, you know, ain't nobody gonna finish it for me. But we're getting it. We're back on track, and we're making headway. So I'm gonna go get some chicken and do some grilling. And yeah, I did want to take a quick second to thank every one of y'all. We hit 700 subscribers yesterday. That's awesome. Just stay tuned. If you're not already, consider click that notification bell so that way you know when we're working on this thing. And as always, guys, till next time, peace.